everyone, welcome to Rayat Online School Education. Today we are going to study subject Geography Standard 9th lesson number 7 International Dateline. Students, in previous video we learned about the Meenal and Sunil's journey. When they complete their respective journey and meet on the 0 degree meridian, according to Meenal it should be Wednesday and according to Sunil it should be Friday. So there, where does Thursday go? So what is the solution to avoid this confusion of days? Today we are going to study this point. See, the first is given, when we cross the 180-degree meridian, some precaution need to be taken. As we have seen that Meenal and Sunil cross the 180-degree meridian, but they do not change day and date. So meridian of 180 degree is reached after 12 hours from prime meridian. If we go from east or west, means there is a difference of 12 hours from prime meridian, means 0 to 180 degree east or 0 to 180 degree west, there is a 12 hour difference is there. So accordingly an adjustment or change in a day and time is made, and according to that only the date and the day is changed. According to the convention, the start and the end of a date is considered to be at 180 degree meridian. 180 degree meridian means what? International date line. That is the line drawn opposite of the opposite to the Greenwich prime meridian is called international date line. So while drawing, the following points were taken into consideration while drawing the international date line. Which are the 2 points are given here? The direction of travel. As we see in the diagram, you can see you are traveling from west to east, east to west from the ideal. So we have to consider the direction of travel. And second is given the current day and date. Today, then tomorrow, yesterday. We have to consider the current day and date while traveling from the ideal. So next is given, while traveling from Japan to America. Now this is very important point. While traveling from Japan to America, Japan is located in the west to the ideal, means while travel from west to east of the ideal, the day remains the same. Here what is example is given, while traveling from Japan to America, we need to consider the existing day and date even after crossing the international date line. Means for example, if it is Thursday 25th December, then Thursday 25th December only should be considered, because Japan is located in the eastern hemisphere, and in terms of the time, eastern hemisphere time is ahead and western hemisphere time is behind. Japan time is the ahead and America's time is the behind. So from traveling from Japan to America, we have to consider the same day, existing day. Next is given, on the contrary, it's a opposite only. While going from America to Japan and crossing the ideal, one needs to add a day to the date. Means while traveling from east to west of the ideal, a day is added. And means while traveling from America to Japan, if it is Thursday 25th December, then it will be Friday 26th December in Japan. Means in America there 25th December and then person reached to the Japan, it would be Friday 26th December in Japan, because Japan time is the ahead. So when while traveling from America to Japan, the person has to add a day to the date. See next, two examples are given in the textbook. Shamrao left for America, which lies to the east of the ideal, from Japan and to the west of the ideal on 1st at 1 p.m. on Monday, and after traveling for 24 hours in a flight, he reached America and saw the date there. It was Monday 1st 1 p.m. in the afternoon, because he traveled Japan to America. So Japan time is the ahead and America's time is the behind. So he need to consider the existing day and the date even after traveling for 24 hours in a flight. Second example is given, Shamrao left for Japan to the west of the ideal from America and from the east of the ideal on Friday 5th at 12 noon, and he reached Japan after 24 hours flight in the and the date was Saturday 6:12 noon, because he traveling from America to Japan and crossed the ideal. And now he has to add a day. Means when we cross the ideal from America to Japan, we need to add a day and the date. So it is the next day will be there. Means it is the 20 see Friday 5th at 12 noon, and when he reached that time Saturday 6th 12 noon is there. So in this way we have to consider the direction of travel and the current day and date. Next points are also given, that we can consider that with the reference to the international dateline, the day on the earth starts in the west and ends in the east. Means for the countries lying to the east of the ideal, that is USA and Chile, it is the end of the day, while for countries lying to the east of it, that is Japan and Australia, it is the start of a new day. So how the scientists come together and they draw a line on 180-degree meridian, it is called the international dateline. So in the next video we will learn how this line is passes through the Pacific Ocean. Thank you.